I wish I had someone to play with.
Can I play around?
Oh, hi, Miguel.
Hey, let's do a round.
Sure, let's play. Oh, and first, make sure if you like the show, help us grow,
And hit that like button.
and subscribe,
And make sure you hit that notification bell.
Hey everybody, welcome back to my family. And today we are doing another Home Depot Kids Workshop project. Today we are making the toss game. And click on this eye above my head if you have not seen any of these projects that we have built from last year, including a fire truck, amphibious vehicle, a crane, tic-tac-toe, a book holder bus, a Christmas ornament, a locker, an ATM, a ping pong table, a truck, a fire chief car, a lawnmower, a battleship, a pencil holder that's formed in a house. Go check those out. And make sure you give them a thumbs up and hit that notification bell and subscribe. Let's start building. And all we'll need for this project is some fine sandpaper, Phillips 2 screwdriver, a hammer, and some wood glue lastly. And if you want, you can go pick up this kit at Home Depot. Just ask customer service for a Home Depot Kids Workshop kit. And they will...
Isn't there an easier way to open this?
Oh yeah, I have a way. And now that it's all open, here's what it comes with. Some instructions. One game board. 2 sides. 1 front. 1 back. 1 bottom. 5 game pieces. 8 nails. 4 screws. 1 sticker sheet. And it also comes with your certificate of achievement and your pin for your apron.
So for step number 1, stand both side pieces along the edges. Make sure the slots are close to the bottom edge and facing up. And then step number 2, we're going to add thin lines of glue to the top edges. Place the bottom piece at the top. Make sure outside edges are even carefully. Nail them together with 6 nails. Okay. So we got past step number 1 and step number 2. Now the next step is going to be step number 3. And that's going to be to stand the project on the back edge and avoiding the slots, add little glue to the top edge of the side piece and place the front piece on top with the opening of the bottom edge. And we do 2 nails. If you're painting the project, paint only the bottom assembly and game pieces. Make sure not to paint the slots and the side pieces. Painting the slots will make it difficult to slide the game board in. Allow the paint to dry completely. Awesome. So that completes step number 3. And now we're going to do step number 4, which is lay the game board flat. Align the holes carefully at the game board sticker. Then lay the back piece flat. Circles don't come off. There you go. And again, like any other sticker, we got to be careful. Do not press on it until we're ready to put it firm.
Right.
Hey, don't go anywhere. We'll be back after this ad. Add the back sticker to the top edge so the sticker is not covering the screw holes. Put the game board and back piece aside until the final step. Excellent. So now that we've completed step 4, we're going to do step number 5. Slide the game board into the slots.
So we're going to slide it through there. one set at a time. Because once we base it, the sticker is not. There we go. So it just slides in easily.
Match the screw holes in the back piece and side pieces. Using a number 2 Phillips screwdriver, attach them together with 4 screws.
I'm going to do it by this. Like this.
And that should do it. Now again, you can color and paint it whichever color you want. We opted to do a Home Depot orange on ours, but as you can tell, Nathaniel's is not colored yet, but he will decide what color he wants to do and color it. And then you can open up your
Play pieces.
game pieces there. You should have a total of 5.
So this is our certificate of achievement, as it always comes with. And our pin. So we can put on a little this. So let's try out the game. This is pretty fun. I wish I had someone to play with.
Can I play around?
Oh, hi, Miguel.
Hey, let's do a round.
Sure, let's play. Oh, and first, make sure if you like the show, help us grow,
And hit that like button.
and subscribe.
And make sure you hit that notification bell.
Ding, ding.
Let's do this. But Nathaniel, no cheating this time.